We all washing our hands and staying extra safe because of COVID-19, but it's super important to keep your vehicle clean and sanitized as well. But you need to do it properly, which means killing germs and bacteria without actually damaging the interior or exterior surfaces of your vehicle. Even if you're always alone in the vehicle, you could transfer germs and bacteria from the outside of the vehicle to the inside, and it's also very easy to be unaware of just how many surfaces we touch in our vehicles on a daily basis. With the arrival of COVID-19 to our country, we at Clarence's understand that our business and services can be considered as essential at this time, and with the guidance of the IDA, we will do our very best to help prevent the spread of the virus by using our interior and exterior steam sanitization to disinfect all surfaces of your vehicle. While we don't guarantee 100% germ-free services, they certainly are essential to help stop the spread of germs. You, the general public, as well as critical health-related professionals, need your vehicles during this time, and it should be as clean and as sanitized as possible. Contact us to book your appointment to have your vehicle sanitized professionally, and of course remember to frequently wash your hands, refrain from touching your face, drink lots of water, and do your part to help stop the spread of the COVID-19 disease.